Welcome to Orake Technologies. Are you looking to boost your online presence and attract more customers to your business? Look no further than Google My Business. This powerful tool can help you reach more potential customers in your local area. Here are 7 Google My Business hacks that every business owner needs to know. Keep content up to date. First, make sure your business information is accurate and up to date. This includes your address, phone number, and business hours. Promote customer review. Next, encourage your customers to leave reviews on your Google My Business page. Positive reviews can help build trust with potential customers. Leverage Google Posts. Take advantage of Google Posts to showcase promotions, events, and new products or services. This can help attract more attention to your business. Keep photo quality high. Don't forget to add high quality photos to your Google My Business profile. Visual content can make a big impact on potential customers. Use GMB Insights. Utilize Google My Business Insights to track how your customers are finding and interacting with your business online. This data can help you make informed decisions to improve your online presence. Prompt replies on review. Respond to customer inquiries and reviews promptly. Engaging with your customers can help build a positive reputation for your business. GMB messaging. And finally, consider using Google My Business messaging to communicate directly with customers. This can help streamline the customer service process. By following these 7 Google My Business hacks, you can take your online presence to the next level and attract more customers to your business. If you need any type of digital marketing service, choose Orake Technologies. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.